It's an indoor day. It's raining. The children are cooped up, but they find ways of occupying their time. Hi, the babies. See? She was a perfect addition to our family. Keeps her big brother busy. I guess it's you. I guess it's you. Come on. Bites is me. I dare you, bites is me. Okay, I bites is you. Okay, here's a half Nelson. Wait a minute. I'm choking. Okay.
You okay, baby boy?
Yeah, I'm okay, Mom.
Are you alright?
Just got a hairball going there.
Did she just grab your throat wrong?
No, just got overexcited.
Okay. Need some mommy kisses? Mommy kisses make it all better.
They say, guess it's better. I'm so spoiled.
So spoiled. That's okay. We like you spoiled.
Here comes Sissy for another round. How about this? Is that my girl? What's your girl? Is that my girl? Why do you have to go get your brother? Sorry, round two. Fight. I get you back on the ground.
You're fine. You can get her.
I get you, Joe. Oh, Shay, now it's my turn to eat.
You've been waiting for your turn at the bowl for a while, huh? You just keep getting pushed to the end of the line.
I'm patient.
See, you're just waiting for your turn at the bowl. Do not talk to him like that.
Sibling rivalry.
That's my